So now we've gone over managing our orders. What happens if we want to edit an order? Well, order editing in Magento is a little different than just coming in here and editing. We actually have to cancel this and create a new order. Luckily, Magento does that for you. So let's click on this pending order. And let's say I actually wanted 2 of these and not 1 of them. Well, you'll notice there is an edit button right up here. So let's go ahead and click this edit button, and it's going to give us this dialog. This says, "Are you sure? This order is going to be canceled and a new one will be created instead." Which is fine because we don't have any attachment to this order number or anything. This is in fact going to essentially duplicate the order. So let's click OK. Now we have the option of changing things. Like we wanted to change this quantity to 2. Now let's click Update Items and Quantities, and you can see our subtotals changed. And let's actually add a product too. Let's add one of the sports baseball hats. Actually, let's add a winter green hat instead. And we want 1 of them. And for our option, we want it to be green. So let's click OK. And now let's click this Add Selected Products to Order. Great, so we now have $45 worth of products now instead of 15. Notice how you can even apply a coupon code now. All sorts of stuff. We can change the address here. Let's say it's a different shipping address. We just have to uncheck this and then we can modify the shipping address. Or leave this checked and have it be the same as the billing address. This, of course, is being brought in from the customer that made this purchase before, so we don't have to edit any of their information again. So it's essentially duplicating this order, all of their information, and then allowing us to change it. And then once we submit this order, it's going to create a new one. So let's leave this as checker money order. We can get shipping methods and rates. Now let's pick in-store pickup once more. And we can add a comment here. Needed additional goods. Okay, and now let's have them email order confirmation set to checked, and let's submit this order. Great, and now this order has been created, and notice we have a new order number. However, it's not incrementally different. It's now 2-1. So let's go to Sales Orders, and we can see they exist as 2 separate orders. However, they're tied together because they're actually, one is just above the other one, -1. So now even though we just did this right now, and the purchase on date is more recent than order number 3, because this is order 2-1, it's going to show up directly above the old order in the list. And you'll notice that it's automatically set this other one to canceled, and this one is now pending. So of course, if we filter for our pending orders only, we just get this newly created -2-1 order. Great. Well, in the next video, we're going to take this order right here and invoice it.